morning, children. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are celebrating Independence Day in school. So, we are having a special assembly. I hope you enjoy this video. Children, all the teachers, we are all missing you. Take care, stay safe, and happy Independence Day to you all.
ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Namaste. Today is 15th August and India celebrates its 73rd Independence Day. India got its independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Every year we celebrate Independence Day as a national festival of India. People of different culture and religion unite in this celebration. On this day, we also remember our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to gain independence. Come, let's all join in and celebrate our auspicious day.
There are three colors in the national flag and it's commonly known as Tiranga, which means tri-colors. The three colors are saffron, white and green. There is a blue wing called the Ashoka Chakra in the middle on the white band. Our national flag was born on 22nd July 1947, designed by Pingali Venkaya.
Saffron on top represents courage, sacrifice and bravery. Our brave soldiers have been fighting courageously to protect our country. Doctors save life. During these days, doctors are working selflessly to protect and treat the sick. Now I'll be putting pictures of our brave warriors on the saffron band.
The white in the middle stands for truth, peace and purity. Our great leader Mahatma Gandhi was a believer of truth and non-violence. Now I will put the picture of Mahatma Gandhi on the white band. All religions teach us to be truthful and peaceful. As I put the pictures of different places of worship, Let us pray that the people of our country follow the path of truthfulness and peace.
This blue wheel in the middle is called Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes that symbolizes 24 hours in the day. The moving wheel aims to show that there is life.
The green at the bottom stands for fertility and prosperity. Our land is blessed with fertile soil and we can grow plenty of food for our people. To represent the fertility of our land, I am going to put the pictures of trees, plants and fields.
The flag is a symbol of pride and togetherness. It signifies that all of us will be united when it comes for love towards our country. We should respect the flag. One cannot intentionally allow it to touch the ground or float in the water.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji. He was born on 2nd October. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti nationwide. He is honored as the father of the nation.
This is the picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was an independence activist and the first Prime Minister of Free India. His birthday is celebrated on 14th November as Children's Day. Children lovingly call him Chacha Nehru. This is a picture of Subhash Chandra Bose, India's freedom fighter. He is called Netaji. Netaji means respected leader. He was the leader of Indian National Army.
This is Bhagat Singh. He joined the freedom struggle at a very young age and is popularly known as Shahid Bhagat Singh by all Indians.
This is Manikarnika Tambe called Lakshmi Bai, Rani of Jhansi. She was a lady warrior who fought very bravely on horseback for the freedom of Jhansi.
This is a picture of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a poet and a great politician. She became the first woman governor of India.
National symbols of India depict the country's image and have been chosen very carefully. Children, now let's talk about some of our national symbols.
The national emblem symbolizes pride, confidence, power and courage. It is a symbol of the Indian government and is used as an official seal on all government documents.
National anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. It's sung on all national occasions and we all stand at attention as a mark of respect.
Our national song is Vande Mataram. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
The national bird of India is peacock, which symbolizes elegance.
The national flag of India is the lotus. It symbolizes purity.
The national tree of India is the banyan tree. It symbolizes immortality, which means the ability to live forever.
The national fruit of India is the mango. It symbolizes the tropical climate of India.
National animal of India is the tiger, which symbolizes power.
Now we are going to sing the wherever you are.